The Defense Research Development Organization, DRDO, successfully carried out the final test of the land-based prototype of the Air Independent Propulsion (AIP) system in Mumbai. The AIP system, retrofitted by expanding the hull area, ensures that diesel attack submarines can remain under surface for a longer period and become more silent than a nuclear-powered submarine. The AIP system will be retrofitted into Kalvari-class submarines, the third of which, INS Karanj, commissioned on Wednesday, March 10. Monday's significant test should be seen as part of the Navy's overall capability building plans. Ranging from the ongoing plan to build 6 nuclear-powered attack submarines or SSNs, the project is back on track. India plans to buy 30 armed drones from the US to boost its sea and land defense as tensions persist with neighbors China and Pakistan. India will approve next month the $3 billion purchase of 30 MQ-9B Predator drones manufactured by San Diego-based General Atomics. The deal would add to India's military capabilities as the drones it has now can only be used for surveillance and reconnaissance. The MQ-9B drone can fly for about 48 hours and carry a payload of about 1,700 kilograms, 3,700 pounds. It will give the Indian Navy the ability to better monitor Chinese warships in the southern Indian Ocean and equip the army to engage targets along the disputed India-Pakistan border in the Himalayas. A team of Indian Navy pilots and ground staff will leave for the US to be trained for the new helicopters the Navy is expected to receive later this year. The Indian Navy is expected to receive the first batch of MH-60R Seahawk maritime helicopters from the US-based Sikorsky Lockheed Martin later this year. Sources have told that a letter has been received from the US-based company inviting the pilots and ground staff for training. These are 4th-generation MH-60RS Romeos helicopters which the Indian Navy will get. The first 3 out 24 MHz 60R Seahawks are expected to be delivered between June-September 2021. This deal for 24 helicopters is through the Foreign Military Sales (FMS) for approximately $2.6 billion and is expected to help the Indian Navy to play a critical role in the Indian Ocean. The United States has prevented Turkey from supplying 30 locally made attack helicopters to Pakistan, diplomatic sources in Washington told Dawn. Turkey's presidential spokesman Ibrahim Kalin told reporters on Monday that the US has blocked Turkey's helicopter sale to Pakistan, which will likely lead to Islamabad buying it from China. The Attack T-129 is a twin-engine, tandem-seat, multi-role, all-weather attack helicopter based on the Agusta A129 Mangusta platform and is equipped with American engines. The US is holding up export clearance for the LHT-EC engine. Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, crossed an important milestone on Monday, when it demonstrated an air-independent propulsion (AIP) system that will allow Indian Navy submarines to operate for up to 2 weeks without having to surface to recharge its batteries. The AIP plant was operated in endurance mode and maximum power mode as per the user requirements. The system is being developed by Naval Materials Research Laboratory, NMRL of DRDO, announced the Ministry of Defense (MOD) on Tuesday. Since NMRL is expected to operationally field its indigenous AIP only by 2023-24, this will come too late to power the 6 new submarines that the Navy is tendering in a 45,000 crore rupees program called Project 75I.